In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Git repository. After signing in to GitHub, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see a button New. Click on this. Now you can name your repository anything. For example, New Repo. Okay. You can add some description. This is test repo. Okay. You can create public or private. Okay. I'll go for public because it's free. Then initialize your repository with readme file. So when you are creating a repository, you can initialize that repository with a readme file. Okay. What is readme file? I'll tell you about it later. But generally, a readme file is something that consists all the installation or setup information of a project or the requirements of a project. Okay. I'll go with it. Okay. And rest of things I leave it default and click on create repository. Once you click on it, it will take several minutes time to create a repository. So here it is a new repository. Okay. Now you want to work on this project. So every repository is nothing but a project. Okay. So if you want to work on this project, okay, you want access to the files of this project, you need to clone this project into your local system. And for cloning, you have this. Click on code. Okay, and you will find HTTPS. Under HTTPS, okay, you have to copy this link. Okay, by clicking on this button, it will be copied. After copying that, go to your local folder, any folder. Okay, and there open the command prompt. Okay, and now type git clone. Okay, and paste that link and click enter. It will clone the remote repository to your local repository. If you check the folder, you will have a repository here with the name new repo. When you open it, you will see it has a readme file. There is no other file, only readme file, because we have created the repository with readme file. So this is how you create a repository and clone that repository in your local. And you can open that repository in the VS Code using the shortcut code space period. It will open that repository in your VS Code. So that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one.